SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher. No wiring, wireless app or timer control. Add SwitchBot Hub compatible with Alexa, Google Home, HomePod, IFTTT. Universal works well with just about any rocker switch and button of any appliance, except touchscreen switch. Smart Button Pusher for your smart home. Supports press mode/switch mode. With the included add-on sticker, one bot helps to turn your light both on and off. Easy to install and set up. Tape it right next to a rocker switch or button with a 3M sticker in 5 seconds. No swapping, no tools are required. Easy app operation. 600 days long battery life. Honeywell Home RCHT 9610 WFSW 2003 T9 Wi-Fi thermostat with one smart room sensor, touchscreen display, Alexa and Google Assist, white. Live and sleep smarter. Choose the temperature in a specific room, like the bedroom, to be exactly what you want it to be to help get a better night's sleep. Or let the smart room sensors automatically detect which rooms people are in and focus comfort where it matters automatically. Amazing sensor range. The battery-powered smart room sensors utilize unique Honeywell home technology to deliver an efficient signal up to 200-foot range. Could be further depending on home construction. Echo Show 10, 3rd Gen, HD Smart Display with Motion and Alexa, Charcoal. Alexa can show you even more with a 10.1-inch HD screen that's designed to move with you. Video calls, recipes, and shows are always in view. The speakers deliver premium, directional sound. Stay in frame. Video call friends and family or take a picture, while the 13MP camera with auto framing and motion keeps you front and center. Smart home made simple. Setup compatible Zigbee devices or smart products without a separate hub. Kasa Smart Plug HS103P4, Smart Home Wi-Fi outlet works with Alexa, Echo, Google Home and IFTTT, no hub required, remote control, 15-amp, UL certified, 4-pack, white. Voice control, Kasa Smart Plugs that work with Alexa and Google Home Assistant. Enjoy the hands-free convenience of controlling any home electronic appliances with your voice via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Smart outlet control from anywhere. Turn electronics on and off your smart home devices from anywhere with your smartphone using the Case app, whether you are at home, in the office, or on vacation. HBN Outdoor Indoor Wireless Remote Control Dual 3-Prong Outlet Weatherproof Heavy-Duty 15A Compact 2 grounded outlets with remote 6-inch cord 100-foot range ETL listed, battery included. Ready to go. Each wireless remote control outlet kit contains everything you need to start, even the remote batteries. Simply plug and play, or sync up the outlets to suit your needs. Strong signal. Our receivers and transmitters work through doors and walls without interfering with other electronics. Signal can function as far as 100 feet in line of sight. Flexibility. Sync remote outlets together regardless of frequency differences, and expand your system with any of our remote control outlet kits.